Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Epson Expression Home XP-2200. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan, print with this printer. This printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network or using USB cable. You can also connect this printer using Wi-Fi direct. This printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network. I want to show you, we're going to load paper tray. Okay, so this is the real paper tray. So to load the paper, just need to select the amount of paper you want. Okay, don't overload it. Okay, so this is how to load the paper tray and adjust it. Make sure you don't overload it. Okay, what we loaded here now is A4 paper. Epson Smart Panel, and select the printer. Once you select the printer, you will see ink levels. Okay, the next you can see is head cleaning, nozzle check. So we select head cleaning. Perform a print head cleaning, click yes. If you continue to have a print quality problem, after performing head cleaning, follow the instruction in the manual. Okay, show the solution or close.